In this demo, I'm going to show you the new product which we recently launched, which will help the content owner to convert their fixed layout content into the accessible, reflowable format. So let me quickly show you how you can do that. Once you sign in to KITABOO platform, you will get to the option called Start New Project. And here, this is the option which will help you to convert your PDF, Word document, XML, JSON, InDesign file into the reflowable, accessible reflowable format. So this is the first step where you need to fill the basic metadata for the title. So once the basic metadata has been filled, the next step is that you can upload the PDF file from this section. Right? I can click on it and I can directly, let me just drag and drop my file. So this is the file which I'm going to upload. And let me show you the PDF also. This is the PDF which I'm going to use to convert PDF to reflowable, accessible reflowable. Right. So this is the PDF. Let me go back. Yeah, it is uploaded. I can go to the next. Now in this section, you as the owner of a content, you can decide which theme you want your reflowable to be converted. So it is having 6 through 3 template available. You can pick and choose which one you want, right? With background, without background. So these are the different themes available. Let me pick this and just click on convert. Now it will take you back to the home screen dashboard where you can see it is in progress. It will hardly take 5 to 5 minutes to convert this title. Now you can see the title is get converted. You can click on this option to see that in the editor what tag has been applied, how the page will look. So everything you will see here. So this is how it is saying the paragraph, and this is the option one, and you have the page for the option two as well. How the second option is created. So this option look better, so I can just say I want this style. You can keep it, and if you want to see the tagging, it is a header one, and there is a figure. If you want to remove the figure, you can just go ahead and delete the figure as well, just by selecting the delete option. You can also see the source code also. If you want to tweak something, you can do the tweaking as well. Let me go to the other page and see what is the second page look like. Second page is pretty good of this option as well. So I will keep it this as is. I don't need to change it. So everything looks perfect. This is the third page. Third page is decent, not accurate. I can go to the option two. Yeah, this one look much more cleaner. So I can go ahead and say keep this, but I don't want this as an image. So I can just say delete because my all the data is already here. Right? I can delete it. I can go to the I want to save it. This is the fourth option. This is the fourth page. And go to the second option. Yes, this is much better. So I can save it. And again, here also I can say that I want to re-adjust the image. Right. So I can say edit this component and just take this much part and just say done, save. Right. So this is the header and the image also here. If you want to make it image to be on the top, you can just rearrange the reading order also. The image will be on the top, the text. And the best part is, if you can see, right, the image has basically this is the figure, and if you see, there is alt text also. So the alt text get auto created for your images. And once you basically done that, everything is done. The next step is that you can just click on convert, okay, where you can define uh, which chapter started on which page to which page. You can say that chapter 1, 1 to 12, chapter 2 is 12 to 15, and just save it. That's it. Once you've done this process, the next step is that I will quick, yeah. So once you've done this, so you can just make it transform and you can see that this is our book, which we done the editing part, and now you can click on transform. And once you've done the transforming, you click on this editor again, and this is the authoring shell where you can see how the content is actually looking, right? and it has a editor as well. If you want to make it something bold, italic, underline, you can easily do that as well, right? If you want to add a paragraph from the right hand side, bullet list or header, whatever you want, you can drag and drop easily. Or let's say I want to add a table here, right? You can just say I want to add a table. You can just drag and drop the table here and say how many rows and how many columns you need. You can decide that. You can click on it. When you click right, you can say that add row, add column. So these are the options is also available. If you want to basically merge the cell, you can merge the cell also. That option is also available. You can delete also the entire table. Similar way, Kitaboo provide you the option to create your own component. Like the if you see right, these are the different styles, right? Icon, sidebar. So these are all custom created. So if I want to add a new style, I can just say add component, where I can put my HTML and CSS and that component get added. So if I just say drag and drop this, so here this is how the style will be look. Here I can type my header one, and here I can type to header two and paragraph and just upload my image. Let's say I want to change this image basically, right? So I can just say I want to replace this with the icon. So I can say icon. Let me Let's say I want to use this Florida icon, right? So the Florida icon will appear on this side. Similarly, if I don't like it, right, I can remove that and I can replace as well. Let me use the message icon. Yeah, this one, right? So this is the message icon, and here I can type my text. This is how I can create. Similar way, if I want to add any other style also, right, any element, so I can just say, let's say icon and background text. So I can just say after this para, or I can say, no, no, not here. Let's say I want to add here, so I can just drag and drop here. Oh, sorry, I drag. Let me delete this. Uh, Image on the right, right? So this is again another example where you can add text and the right hand side will be the image. So I can add that and I can replace the image also. Similar way, I can just go ahead. And let's say the image is not there, so I can upload my own images from my local desktop as well. Can just browse, click on this browse option, and I can just say I want to add this muscle image. Upload, and I can say that this is the title. And if I want to add a provide the alt text, I can provide that and click on upload. Now I can insert this image. So this is how it will look. Right. Similar way, if you want to add a math equation also, we have a rich math tool also on the top where you can type the equation as well. If you want, you can draw the equation and it get converted into the math formula as well. Apart from that, if I go to the chapter number 3, right? So here we have the option to, add interactive content as well. Like this is your question and you have want user to answer it, right? So this is the text input which you can use and type the answer as well. Apart from that, everything is done, right? You've done it and you said, okay, I want to share this content with the other user, right? You can just click on this share option and whoever you want to share, you can type their name and that person will be visible and you can share the content as well, right? So let me share with this person. I can say he's the editor and the other person also, let's say I want to add uh, producer, right? Studio.producer is the other person and just share the content. Once you share the content, you can also, highlight something and create a note and say that please review this or please fix this typo error. So this kind of a thing we also have like editor role, commenter role, and the viewer role as well. Anytime if you want to, if you don't like this theme, right? You want to change that, you can go ahead and change the different theme as well, saying that I don't want this particular theme. I want, let's say, this theme. I say use this theme. So it will change the entire in the green theme. And now you can see this is how it will look. This is how the style will look. This is the way, right? So everything will be changed. And also we have the version control also, which you can take the advantage and reverse back to the original style as well. You can see on the top how it will look in the different resolution as well. And this is the table of content, entire table of content. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. And the last thing is that once you've done that, you get an option to publish in the multiple formats like PDF, EPUB, XML, JSON. So these are the format also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.